Anchor cable, anchor cable. Anchor chain, anchor chain. Cable connecting anchor to vessel. Check the tension on the anchor cable during the storm. Anchor lights, anchor lights. Lights displayed when at anchor. Switch on the anchor lights after the sun sets. Anchor stopper, anchor stopper. Device securing anchor chain. Apply the anchor stopper to secure the chain in the hawse pipe. Anchor watch, anchor watch. Monitoring vessel at anchor. Keep a strict anchor watch to prevent dragging. Anchorage, anchorage. Area suitable for anchoring. There are many vessels waiting in the anchorage. Anchors away, anchors away. Anchor lifted from seabed. Anchors away. We are starting the engines. Anchor awash, anchor awash. Anchor just below surface. Keep heaving until the anchor is awash. Anode, anode. Metal for corrosion protection. The hull anodes must be replaced during dry dock. Anti-fouling, anti-fouling. Coating preventing marine growth. Apply fresh anti-fouling paint to improve fuel efficiency. Anticyclone, anticyclone. High-pressure weather system. The anticyclone over the region is providing good visibility for sailing. Antenna, antenna. Device for radio transmission. The GPS antenna is located on top of the bridge.